Alright, hey guys. Today we have once again another Tiny Tank episode. These seem to be by far my most popular ones, so I just might as well keep on making them. One of you requested for a BT7, so here we have a BT7. BT7s were like a light cavalry, light type tank that Russian tank before World War II and fought during World War II. Sort of an interesting tank. They're very, very fast, lightly armored, and had a relatively decent gun. So, yeah, interesting tank. Now, on the design, as far as the turret, because that's the most prominent feature, and the front, I'll get to that though. The turret, this is, if you just took the piece right here, the little rounded on one end, that'd probably be the right turret, but you can't. There was no angled piece to put the gun in, so it's a little bit larger than it should be on the front here. So, but it's best I could come up with. Obviously, this should be all gray or green or whatever color you're using. Probably green is really green color though, and the white on the sides was the only piece, but you'll find out why. On the front here, BT7 has a really weird looking front. It's got like this little pokey part coming out, and then it has these like an axle going through it. So I couldn't quite put an axle through because that would just not look right. So I put these little like backpack plates on either side, which also creates the mudguard because there was a mudguard that would curve into it over the tracks. I think it came up pretty well. But anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so for the hull or base part, whatever you want to call it, chassis of the tank, I'm going to use my normal track setup. So four 1x2 bricks with 2 holes in them. Then we'll have the four 1x2 inverted slopes, or pseudo 1x2 inverted slopes, basically a 1x1 with a 1x1 slope on it, to create almost a 1x2 slope. Not quite though. That's what I'm going to be using, my normal setup. If you want to look at it, it's pretty simple. I've done it in every other video I have, tank video at least. And I'm also going to need 3 2x4s, 2 2x3s, 2 minifigure backpack plates, or back plates, a 1x1 slope, and a 1x2 slope, and a little turntable piece, 2 1x2 drill plates, or tiles, 2 of these L, like 1x2 by 2, 1x2 plates. I don't know what they're called, these things. Preferably in gray. A side attachment 1x2 plate here. I just don't know what those are called. Same thing with this, except it's the other direction. Show you the difference, like that. Okay. You're going to need preferably 2 1x2 gray tiles. For some reason I don't have any 1x2 gray tiles in all my Legos, so I use either 1x1 and a 1x1, and a 1x2 dark. 3 1x1 plates, a jumper plate, 2 1x2s, and 2 1x1s, preferably in the color you're using, gray in my case, but I only have black ones because I'm using my 2 gray ones as a 1x2. 2 1x6 tiles, and that should cover it all. I believe I said 2 2x3s, but there's 2. Alright, start off, take your 2x4 here, and you're going to take your 1x2 with a side attachment right here, and then you're going to take this jumper plate, you're going to put it on here, you're going to take a 1x1, put it on there, and then you're going to take the slope here, put it on the end. You put that like that. Then you're going to take this these L pieces here, right there, and then we're going to attach the first track piece onto the front and another track piece onto the back, like that. And then so this is going to be like this. Then you're going to take 1x2 right here, like that. Then you're going to attach this on the bottom there. Then you're going to take, oh, not that one, 2x3. And then the other 2x3, like that. And then you could fill in the rest of the track pieces here. Okay, drop that piece. Front here. 1x2. 1x2. Inverted slope on the back. Okay. Then we'll take two 1x1s, put them on the front two track. Oh, sorry. Track pieces there. You get your two back track plates. And you're going to put them on inside, like here. Okay. So you have that. You're going to take your 2x4, place it over the middle, press down. It's a pretty sturdy model actually, so that's good. You're going to take your 1x2, place it there. Take another 1x2, place it on top. Like that. Place a 1x2 drill plate on the top of that. Take your side attachment plate, put on the back here. Take a slope and put it on the back. Take your drill and put it on that on the back. You could actually just use a 1x2 plate, which actually would be more historically accurate if you want. I forgot to mention that earlier. Now you're going to take your turntable, place it right there in the middle, and then you'll take your plate right there, and you're going to place it behind that, and then you're going to place your other plate or tile on the front there. So, then you'll take your two 1x6s, one on either side, right there, and right there. Then you're going to take your two 1x1 tiles, place them on the back, like so. And there you have it. You could also, instead of using a 1x6 and a 1x1, you could use a 1x3 and a 1x4 on both sides. Okay, now we move on to the turret. Alright, the turret is very simple. We have a 2x2 with a hole thing, attachment, whatever you want to call that. Two jumper plates, a 1x2, this like 1/3 length I think. Rod, 2x2, side attachment plate, this type. Okay, let's move on to building it. So, we will take our jumper plate and we're going to put it on the hole right here. See that right there? Okay. We're going to take the 2x2, place it behind that, and then we'll attach the side attachment plate there. Put the jumper plate on front of that. Sit the rod in. And then we'll take the 1x2, place it on the bottom, grab our chassis, stick it on the tank. Like that. And there you have a BT7 as best as I can make it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment below if you want me to build anything. I'll see if I can do it. Alright, thank you. Bye.